My name is Affiliate Godofriday Morrison, and today I just thought about something that I felt I should share with my audience here on Facebook. Let's assume today you walk into your organization and your boss tell you that, Mr. John, we don't need your services anymore in this organization. What will you do? So this video is for those that are doing a 9 to 5 work. You are working from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, and then you close and go home. And then one day you got to your office and your boss said your services are not needed anymore. What will you do? That is why every worker need to have a side hustle, a side business that they are doing, so that when the event occur that the organization that they are working for doesn't need their services anymore, they have something to leverage on to make money for themselves. Whether you are a 9 to 5 worker, whether you are a nurse, you are a stay-at-home mom, you don't have a job right now, who says you cannot make money online? You can make money online using just your smartphone and internet connection and your data to make money from the internet. We have about 3.something billion people on Facebook. Why not? Who says you cannot leverage on these people and start selling to them? One fastest way you make money online is to sell something, and that is where I come in. I am Affiliate Godofriday Morrison, and I teach people how to make money online with their smartphone and internet connection. I give you a short story. I remember when I started affiliate marketing 2019. I graduated from school 2016. There was no job. I was pastoring with winners, yes, and I was a part-time pastor. Then at a time, the income was not enough. I graduated from school 2016. I have this mindset. I want to get married. I want to settle down. So I was in search of a way to make money online after not having a job for almost 2 years. So I got into affiliate marketing 2019, and I started earning between 5K, 10K, 15K. But today, I can boastfully tell you that I've earned over 225,000 naira in a week, 450,000 in a week, and I've earned over 1 million doing this business of affiliate marketing. And I've been able to train more than 10 to 15 people doing this business. Why not? So in order for you to avoid being laid off from your job and complain and not have money to put food on the table for your children, why not leverage on this business today? And let me show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing at a low cost. Click the link somewhere around this video and get started today. See you in class.